So let's talk about custom fields. So in this area, what you can do is you can have a whole bunch of custom fields for your forms, surveys, etc. And there are different options now. So let's just kind of go over those. You can add a folder. If you click here, you can name that folder and you can put those in there. You click here to add a field and you have so many options to add a field. So once you do this, you can just choose that. And then if you click on next, it will allow you to set all of that up. You also have additional preferences where you can show the unique key for that, add a description, etc. You can go back and do all of that. And then you also have the not availability, but the option. If you click on anything like this, you can do bulk actions. So you can literally edit, move to a group, or delete it straight from here. So if you click on the edit button, once again, this is already set up. You can change anything in here that you need to change, which is super huge. And then if you go here, the folders that you have set up, you can just see exactly what's in each of those folders. And then you also have the option to view the deleted fields in your audit logs page. So that is an overview of your custom fields area and how it looks. And then down on the bottom, if you have more than one, you can also, click to go to the next page, etc., and find all of them here or simply in your folders area.